So I guess the case that I was making last time, at least in part, was that one way of conceptualizing the fundamental problem that human beings face is to conceptualize it as an ongoing struggle with complexity. And complexity emerges as a consequence of the sort of finite boundedness of individual consciousness and the incredible excess of the unbounded everywhere else, even including underneath that consciousness, because of course your individual consciousness depends on the function, or is related to the function, of things that are so complex you can't even understand it. So there you are, surrounded by some things that you understand in an ocean of things that you don't understand at all, and including things about yourself. And it's not obvious at all how people solve that problem, because in some sense it's not solvable. The fact that you don't have the cognitive resources or the conceptual resources to understand everything that you need to understand in order to properly orient yourself in the world. Now, obviously, partly the way we deal with that is that we cooperate with other people, and so that radically multiplies our resources, incredibly multiplies our resources. So, and it's something to consider always when, so much of the political dialogue that surrounds us now consists of a critique of cooperative societies and an analysis of their oppressive nature. And of course that's true, because any cooperative system that specifies a certain endpoint and produces a value hierarchy of some sort also simultaneously forces things into that value system and then rank orders people according to the value structure. And so there's an oppressive element to it. But compared to being naked in chaos, generally it's better. Now, it doesn't always have to be, because it can get murderous, but generally speaking, well, look, we're social animals, it doesn't matter. Our evolutionary pathway has already taken us here, and so we're individuals, but we're unbelievably social, and so that's that. So as far as I can tell, we'd have to be completely different creatures not to take advantage of and fall prey to the problems with social being.